Welcome to a calm beginning and a moment of quiet connection. Today's affirmation offers a gentle way to return to yourself. My breath is a prayer without words. So often, prayer is thought of as something spoken, requested, or directed. But this affirmation reminds you that connection can exist without language, without effort, without needing to name or define anything at all. Each breath is already an act of presence, an inhale that receives, an exhale that releases. When you become aware of your breath, you step out of mental noise and into direct experience. The body settles, the mind softens. You are no longer reaching for meaning, you are resting inside it. This affirmation is not about asking for anything. It is about acknowledging what is already happening. Breath moves through you with quiet consistency, supporting you without demand. In that movement, there is reverence, there is belonging. As your day unfolds, return to this affirmation whenever words feel unnecessary or overwhelming. Let breath carry what thought cannot. Allow stillness to do the communicating. You may notice that in these moments, clarity arises naturally, not as answers, but as calm, not as direction, but as grounding. Here's your daily habit for today. Pause once today and take 3 quiet breaths without adding thought or intention. Carry these companion affirmations with you. I find meaning in simple presence, and stillness speaks through my breath. Thank you for beginning your day with AM inspiration and choosing quiet connection over explanation. May your breath continue to guide you gently through today. Win the morning, win the day.